The mobile diesel-driven air compressor is mainly composed of a diesel engine, an air compressor body, a cooling system, a control system, and a mobile device. Mobile air compressors are widely used in various fields such as construction and mining, oil and gas, manufacturing, etc. When choosing a mobile diesel air compressor, the following factors should be considered based on actual needs. 1. The correct choice of power matching between the diesel engine and the air compressor. 2. Diesel engine fuel consumption. 3. It is recommended to choose a common rail engine instead of a pump-fed engine.